guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan, and if you don't know me, hi, hello, nice to meet you. So today's video has been one of the most requested videos, mostly of my little kids, but I know that this one will have a lot of views because people always want to know, you know? So today's video is going to be my room tour, and yes, finally I'm showing you my little room. So yeah, you will see my room. This is the first time also that someone is filming me. I asked my sister to film, and so yeah, I guess if you are ready, let's just jump into this video. Aloha guys! So let's get this slow-mo overview of my little room. So I'm going to start with this corner. This is my makeup little office corner. I hope this lighting is good on that video because this is like the third time I'm filming this. This is my like working space and vanity stuff where I do my makeup. So I have just one room, so I can't do everything. I can't have a spot for everything, so I combined these two. So this vanity mirror I got from Amazon for Christmas. I think the price was around 200 something. I'm not sure. It's the big one. I can link it down below if you want to. So I got these little container things where I put my makeup brushes in, and these are from IKEA, but I don't think they have these ones because the last time I was there I only found this type, so it's a little different. So this thing I did a DIY, and then I got my pretty, I need a name for her. She has makeup on, like she got her lashes done, she got some lipstick, some blush. She cute, and I put her on books to look cuter, but I am looking for prettier books. So then I have this little tray thing, which, yeah, a lot of perfumes, some moisturizer, whoops, and yeah, this is actually my favorite primer, by the way, the Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Primer. This is my holy grail. I love this. So then you have my little laptop, which was so expensive, so I gotta show that on my video. My camera, which does not belong here, but yeah, we don't care. My lucky cat and Minato. I don't know if you have seen my vlog from Japan Expo, but that's where I put Minato, so I can always watch him. Then I have this little thing, which is something to put your, how you call that, your I have no idea, I will just insert the word here. But I got this at IKEA, and I just like put some eyeshadow palettes in there, so yeah. Here's my little Harry Potter corner, which I store all my books and pop figurines. A picture of me over there, which I took in London in a Harry Potter shop. Then I have my little anime shelf, like yeah, this is me again. Some artists drew me at the Japan Expo, and yeah, I have a few mangas, but I don't really love reading mangas because I don't know. And then I have my new stationery thing because the girl is going back to university, guys. Yes, I finally said it in front of the camera, and now everyone will know, and now I am not allowed to fail. So wish me luck. These are from IKEA. Then I have a bunch of random notebooks. This little thingy I did with the acrylic thing, and then some other notebooks with again this thingy from IKEA, and my Instax, which I've never used and I have since a few months now. Yes, so moving on. Here's my little poo-poo. So sad. Bonjour. Oh, she's so cute. Next, I have my huge... Oh, I just hit my head. I have my huge closet. huge, but not enough. I will just show you like a quick view. Oh no, I forgot. Okay, I will do that and then. So, this is the closet. There I have a lot of bags, which I never use, but I don't want to get rid of them, so they will stay there for a while. A lot of jackets, trousers, things like that. And there are just a lot of mess. There's my sewing machine, sewing stuff, and a box with some shoes in there. A lamp, which my dad should put up there, but that has been like... This thing, I got this like, what, 6 years? And my dad still didn't do it. On the other side, I have all my tops. This is everything for window. This is like school dresses and stuff like that. Ooh, this looks messy. Oh my god. So these are all my tops, like t-shirts and stuff like that. And there are all my bottoms, jeans and blah blah blah. I will not open these drawers because why should I? So I forgot to show you where I store my makeup, and it's just simply under here. So this is everything, hair products and things like that. This is messy and I don't know how to organize that, but I don't know. So here's the more organized side. So you have all my eyes product, brows and stuff like that. Little things I don't know where to store. All my lip products, makeup products like facial products, powders, setting sprays and random stuff I don't want to throw away but I never use. This is just the story of my life. I'm sorry. So then moving on with this little corner where I have my TV and stuff like that. So on this shelf I have really beautiful books, which I think they are so pretty. The Book Jumper and the Forgotten Book, I think they are so pretty, but I don't know what else to put here, so it's just messy and ugly. Then I got my little Naruto with Minato and Kurama. And then I have just a bunch of books. The unicorn was made from a kid from school, so I just wanted to keep it. Another face of me. I think I have a lot of things of me. Yeah, which I also got drawn at Japan Expo. This little corner, and I got this tray. I think I will like paint it, and for now I have no idea what to put on. Blah. For now I have no idea what to put on there, so this is what you got. It's so ugly, but whatever. There's the cat's food, which I have to have cat's food in my room because no one wants that cat food. I cannot put it in the kitchen and I cannot put it on the floor because this... Excuse you! I have this on camera, man. Okay, so this little nugget is always eating the cat's food and she always tries to jump on there to get it. So I really don't know where to put this cat food, but it does not smell. It only smells when I open the big bag and I put some new in, so then it smells for a while, but for now it does not smell, and then as long as it doesn't smell, I'm good. My Kakashi baby. And then I have this little corner, which I wanted to do like a dog corner. This is her water ball. There's no water because I'm a bad dog mom. I'm sorry. There's her toy box, which I got from IKEA as well, and I got a lot of stuff from IKEA. I wanted to paint it and buy some letters to put on it, like toys or dog or something like that. I wanted to hang something here, like get her drawn or something like that, because I think it's really cute, and white dog's corner or something like that. I don't know yet. Then I have this night shelf thingy, which this is always like this. I cannot close this. Oh, that was easy. Okay, never mind. So, what should I say about that? There's nothing to say. These are just books I started reading, but I did not finish them. A lot of pictures. Look at me. I want to show you this one. This is me. I think I was 6 or 7, and my uncle. This is my favorite auntie. Then I have here my favorite jewel candy, which is the roasted almonds. And guys, if you could smell this, Oh my god, it just smells so nice. And then comes my bed. I have these cute little lights, which I hate this color, but my mom chose them a long time ago. So at night this looks really pretty. I will try to insert footage when it's on at night. It's romantic and cute. And this is just my bed with my dog on it. And then the mirror. Okay, I shouldn't move my hands like that because we on camera and kids are watching. So here's my mirror, which I always take my pictures in it. And here's still my Christmas thingy. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It does not actually. I can't show you. My camera does not want to get this luminosity. So yes, this is just what my room looks like. I hope you liked my room tour. This was the most requested video. I hope this quality is better, and I hope to see you back in my next videos. Bye. I am ready. Sorry, the dog is distracting. If you want to know anything, I don't know, anything in but if you want to know anything in hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. That was bad, wasn't it? Hey guys, and welcome back. I should close that window. Seid ihr gut oder nicht?
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
And I guess we are done.
I hope, because my shoulder is kind of dying.
No. We don't accept that in this video. No. No. Okay, we have to get her a like. Wait.